Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications as we upload one new recipe every day. Today's recipe is a mushroom recipe. So it's a nice simple sandwich toasty that I'm going to make. So if you have any mushrooms at home, this is a very ideal snack or a lunchbox recipe that you can make. So let's get started and check out the ingredients.
Take a white saucepan, add a little oil, add 2 onions thinly sliced, garlic finely chopped. Once the onions are transparent, add 400 grams of mushrooms. I have thinly sliced this. Mix well. After 2 minutes, season with salt and pepper. Next, add a teaspoon of butter. I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Now this is optional. Cook till the mushrooms are done and all the water and excess moisture is evaporated. Make sure the mushroom filling is nice and dry. Now let's make these sandwiches. Take 2 slices of bread. Spread a little butter on both the slices. Now you can either use white bread or brown bread. Place a spoon of the mushroom filling on one slice. Make sure you spread it evenly. Next, place a slice of cheese on the mushroom filling. Place the other bread on top. Now we're going to toast this over the stove top. So I have a toaster that I can use on the stove top. Grease the toaster on the inside with some butter. Now place the sandwich on one side of the toaster. Place it on the stove top and start toasting it. 1 minute on each side. Now the mushroom cheese sandwiches are done. They're nicely toasted. You can see they look so delicious and the cheese is melted. It's so nice and gooey.
So here is a special snack that your kids will definitely love. You can pack them for their lunch, or you can even make them as an evening snack when they get back from school, or if they're just hungry. You can see it's made in minutes. So definitely try this mushroom cheese sandwich and enjoy. You can buy my online Indian cooking classes on 21frames.in/classes.